Yo, it's Drake. Yeah. Leave a message at the tone. Unless it's my baby mother, then get the fuck out of here. Yo, Kanye, bro, it's Kanye, bro. Yo, we gotta talk, bro. Yo, you talking about you crept down the block, made a right. That's where my son live, yo. You trying to hurt my family? You mad I took Balenciagas and took the Balenciaga off and called them Yeezy 350s? And you hating on me, trying to take food out my family's mouth? Yo, you not picking up, bro. Yo, pick up, bro. Yo, Drake, man, stop texting Chris, bro. I'm sitting right next to him. I see the emojis, bro. Yo, stop playing with me, bro. Yo, bro, this is like the fourth time I left you a message, bro. Call me back, bro. You around the corner. I should just walk to your crib. Matter of fact, I'm gonna walk to your crib right now. I'm gonna walk past Larry David's crib on the way there and say, what's up? Come on, man. I'm not gonna fight you on TV, bro. This is different. Call me, please. I love you. Do the fucking drop, man. This nigga play with me, bro. Yo, Trav, how you let him do me like this, bro? Do the drop. Someone take boys.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Live from Milk Studios. Do the drop.
Damn, I'm sad. I'm sad.
A Calabasas heartbreak. Episode 138. Bodega Boys in the building. Coming to you live from the Jam Room in Milk Studios.
What y'all mean?
It's your boy Desus Nice.
You know what I'm saying? The Kid Murder Human.
We're not gonna do the AKs from the beginning because the AKs are now 2 hours long.
Yeah, stupid.
You could literally have them and have a baby and the baby be in first grade by the time they end.
Right.
Like, yo, my baby's doing Duolingo.
Yo, he got a 529 on deck.
Oh, shit.
Yo, he's picking colleges.
Oh, man. Another week. A lot has happened this week.
Yes.
Everything's happening so fast it doesn't even matter.
Yo, Drake went from like Marshmallow Man to like
Drake runs
the
Calabasas.
ultimate bully. Like he's the Debo of Calabasas.
That's terrifying. Man,
He's like,
you just
yo.
get a late night call from Drake with a Jamaican accent.
Yo, what's a guan?
What guan?
Yo, run. Yo, give me the Wave Runners.
Man, says Marv.
Yo, don't cheese me, bro. Trust me, daddy.
But wait, how you got Drake? He got Kanye under pressure.
Fam, I don't know.
And Kanye is so pushed to the edge. His only answer is to tweet it out in public in case Drake has something done to him.
Yo,
is Drake out here getting people killed?
Yo, first of all, I like how young Kanye tweets like my 6-year-old son texts. Mm-hmm. Like he'll just
with a dash out of
words,
nowhere,
like a dash, like what random emoji, yo, bro, period, punctuation that doesn't make sense. Yo, man, your man went on a tirade last night, bro. Like,
see, at first I was like, is this the pills? Because you know, anytime Kanye,
yeah, he's off the Lexapro.
Yeah, but then I was like, I don't know, like. Listen, shouldn't he just fight? He should just fight Drake, right?
just how are they gonna fight, bro? Imagine them fighting in Calabasas, and like an orthodontist comes out and like, hey,
Kanye's like 40 with 4 kids. Like,
come on, fam, with orange hair.
This is next door beef. This is something you see and you watch it from your window, like,
oh shit.
That's why it used to be a nice community before they moved here. Oh,
you get that app that like you type in crime and shit, like the snitching app, like
right away, take a picture.
Black man fighting here.
Also, you can't report it because you don't know what race Drake is at the moment. He's Jamaican.
I think he's
Dominican.
Irish. He's Jamaican, Dominican, the Irish. I think. I don't know. I'm not sure. Man, it's every flag emoji.
Listen,
every flag emoji is in his current emojis. Like recently used emojis, all of them.
He's just out here, man. He's just trying to make music for everybody.
That's it, bro.
In other news, the president sniffs Adderall, and it's not that big a deal.
It's not that serious.
Yo, Barack wore a tan suit, and niggas was on his ass for months.
Listen,
he man is out here like get that pure.
Let me tell you something. Have you ever had to study for a test late at night? Come on, give me a break here.
Yo, shout out all my NYU students.
Shout out to the Tisch Academy.
Mm-hmm. Chop it up right, you get those real hard.
You know what I'm saying? That shit gets stuck in your fucking sinus cavity.
Ooh.
Keep you up for days, motherfucker.
Allegedly.
Allegedly.
Ain't nobody out here sniffing Adderall.
No drug use. We don't do drugs at all.
All right, no one said all that. We just said allegedly about that. Let's not paint ourselves in a corner here. All right, just want to be in front of everything.
The Showtime drug show host claimed to not do drugs. Here's a picture of Mero smoking angel dust.
There's literally a photo of us with like a 10-foot blunt on Venice Beach. We can't get away from that, jumping in front of that in case the Oscars wants us to host.
You know what I'm saying?
We don't want it.
We don't want it. Shit is like hot potato.
Yo, right now, what's the worst job? Working for Trump or hosting the Oscars? Because right now, either one is like, I'll see.
Fam, I'd rather be Chris Brown's publicist.
Damn.
Like, that's how real it is.
Is that even a real job?
Nah, it is now.
I think Chris Brown just uses Google auto replies and shit to decide if he's going to locations and shit.
He could go to Google Alert for himself. He's like, what do I do now?
He's like, what?
Oh, shit. Nigga smoking a Newport 1000.
Wait, I'm banned from CBS because what? They're like, you chewed
Remember you threw the chair?
It's like, that wasn't me.
That wasn't me. That
They
was
got
Ryan
the footage. He's like, oh, fuck.
Shit. Damn.
Nigga pop and lock out of it.
Ryan Seacrest ducked under the coffee table and shit without ducking.
Damn, Chris Brizzy.
Yeah, man. He's out
King
here.
of R&B?
That's what they were saying. Like, listen, there's a
Nah,
lot
come
of
on, say it with your chest. You can't.
There's a lot of
don't.
kings of R&B. I threw in the king for David
You can't
Caesar.
have a bunch of kings of R&B. There's one king.
They can only be one.
There can only be one. Who's your king of R&B? Name some washed dead person.
Oh man, I mean, like there's layers to that question. Be like, what kind of R&B we talking about? Are we talking about like neo soul? You know what I'm saying?
It's R&B over
we
the
talking
top.
about
Why is it getting so nuanced?
where we get into like subgenres and shit.
Mm-hmm.
Like I threw on the cake for Daniel Caesar. People were like, "Word, yo, shout out to him." And then,
Daniel Caesar.
Yeah, like that was a deep cut though. Like
That's
you know
like
what I'm
a
saying?
deep cut. He's been around for like 3 months. Shout out to Daniel Caesar, the homie.
Shout out to the guy. He's very soulful though. His vocals are soulful.
The king of R&B is Trey Songz.
That's true.
That's true.
Yo, because he invented sex. He did.
He invented like finger pop R&B.
He did. I'ma finger you in the club,
Like,
girl.
When you giving that girl that fake massage,
Yeah.
you're just gonna roll for like 2 minutes.
Like a
Your hand cramp up, you're like, let me just whip it out.
It's like a Brazzers scene where you put the thumb in the butt by acting like, oh shit, oh.
I don't know what Brazzers is.
You don't know? Oh no, no.
Rolling Stone is here.
We don't do drugs. We don't watch pornography.
Pornography. How do you access that to the Bible app? Because I was at home last night reading Galatians 4,
You gotta use a
and I
proxy.
said to myself, "What would Jah do in this moment?"
God bless.
There's an alternate Jesus, so we're riding the train and annoying the fuck out of people. Reading scriptures,
Read the
to
scriptures
you.
and shit. Yo, my
It's not
God.
as fun.
Yeah,
We just got the Bible Boys. The concerts are sold out, but it's just like a lot of women with long skirts.
Yes.
A lot of guys with the super cut
Man,
haircuts.
yo, move your hat, yo. Try to see.
No one's saying yo. It's like a Kingdom Hall. It's like
it's like-
very everyone khakis.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Would you pass the microphone to brother,
Yes.
brother Jesus?
Hey, thank you.
Hey.
Just want to talk about what the Lord did for me today.
Oh, thank you. We will all meet in paradise one day.
Don't forget, guys. We're gonna have that Bodega Boys Super Church coming soon.
Woo, get ready, y'all.
The Showtime deal don't work out. Ooh.
Oh, that mega church is getting.
Mega church.
Woo, we're gonna be on a plane like do the Millie Rock on a Jeep on a PJ.
Eating mad FEMA supplies and shit. we're gonna have a distilled water fight. You kids want this?
Oh, sorry.
They got a FEMA camp making ASMR videos. This water's
Delicious.
no. We would
That's
always
creepy.
help the poor.
Yeah, of course. We did the Bodega Boys shit. Like we
are the poor, though, right?
Yeah, we're poor.
We're poor in God's eyes.
We're poor. Yes, we're very poor. I'm so poor. I'm so poor. Like
How much is milk?
like $4.
I'm lactose intolerant.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? You should ask me how much is oat milk.
That right there, that distinction. Okay, because if you go in my local supermarket and you ask for oat milk, you're gonna chase out with a bat.
Fuck out of here, puppy.
Oat milk.
Does Whole Foods take EBC?
Yeah.
They do, right?
Yeah.
Oh, so let's get it. I'm with.
Wow, you are EBT now?
I'm with the
What
scheme.
happened?
I'm running schemes.
You can't get arrested for like welfare fraud. man.
At this point.
At this point,
we got a Showtime show coming out.
I don't know much about TV contracts, but I'm 1,000% sure there's a clause in the Showtime contract where if you get caught arrested for welfare fraud, I'm doing the show by myself.
I'm doing the wall purple walking shit. Yo, call David Neves, B. Call David Neves, yo. Stop
You gonna
fucking
do
playing
all your
with me.
C's from? We gonna Skype you from Rikers?
Just mad pork chops falling out my pants and
Oh,
shit. Like,
you trying to record? Takashi interrupts.
he's like, yo, what you doing at? I'm like, yo, fam. There's other people in this dorm, B. It's like 3 a.m. trying to sleep.
Do you think
The
he's
fuck?
still talking? I think he's very quiet now.
Oh, I think so
he's
too.
very.
I think he's very quiet.
Probably just him with his Bible.
Yeah, just him and his Bible. He cut all his hair off. He's chilling.
Jesus with the bikini.
Yo, praise the Lord.
Actually, now would be not a bad time to be in jail because you got Tekashi in there.
Yeah.
You got Bobby Schroeder.
You can drop a fire album in jail right now.
Enjoyable. You're the only people trying to tell y'all to go to jail.
You go to jail. Drop a video to get some features.
Yo, Department of Corrections, cut that check.
Yo, go to jail for clout.
Yo. It's like, yo, let's be honest. Y'all not doing nothing here on the streets.
It's like Everest commercial.
Same thing every day. You wake up, you watch Jerry Springer.
That's right.
You're a burden on your mother.
Come on now.
Don't you want 3 meals guaranteed?
3 hots in the car? Come to Rikers.
I did it. You can do it too. Bring your kids.
Can
you bring your kids to
a
jail?
luxurious boat cruise?
You can't bring your.
Can you bring it?
You get arrested with your kids.
Yeah, that's true.
That's sadder though.
That's wild sad.
Cause like it'd be cool, but then when you in a holding cell and you like, oh shit, that's your father.
Why you dancing on the toilet?
Niggas violate you in front of your father.
Niggas a herb.
Oh shit.
Just duff you and shit. Your son's like, wow, you wild buns pop. You're like, damn, son, I'm
Oh,
sorry.
if niggas smack your father in jail.
Yo,
Damn.
that's it.
That's a very traumatic situation. That's also a very hilarious CBS sitcom.
My dad got smacked in jail.
My felon dad. It's me and Ray Liotta back to back. Like, yo, Dad, now's not the time to stop smoking.
Really, Liotta's like, what are you talking about? I can't.
Jesus, pass me my Chantix.
I tried to quit, but I couldn't. You know, I mean, I can't move my face anymore because you know the things in my face. I got surgeries a lot. You know, like I
What is that? Fillers?
Fillers. Is
Fillers?
it fillers? I mean, I don't know. I mean, I live in Jersey now, so I see a lot of that.
Let me know.
mall
Hook
shit.
me up.
You know what I'm saying? Get some Botox.
Let's get our lips done.
We got lip.
We gotta get our lips done for the Showtime show. We gotta have the wild duck lips. I'm gonna look like I'm British. Like, yeah.
Come on with the
Sip y'all.
We're bringing back the Kylie Jenner challenge and
Oh,
shit.
yeah.
Just like shatter a fucking jar on my face.
I forgot that was. How long ago was that?
That was the thing. Listen, white kids do a different thing every week. It's a different thing every week. First it was Kylie Jenner, then they were eating cinnamon, then they were lighting themselves on fire.
Wow, the cinnamon
Yeah, remember
challenge.
that? They light themselves on fire too.
And you know what? Because the internet moves so fast, that feels like that was 20 years ago.
Yeah. Tide Pods.
Tide Pods, yeah.
I put a Cascade pod in my dishwasher yesterday because I'm poor. And I was just like, wow, this is gonna be the next thing. This is gonna be it.
What, Cascade
I'm calling it
Pods?
right now. Yeah, Cascade Pods are gonna be the new Tide Pods. They're gonna start
But
eating
Cascade Pods been around.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
So
but
there's no.
They're gonna be like, yo, we can't eat Tide Pods because you know white kids are mad defiant. They're gonna be like, we can't eat.
I think Tide Pods came and went. You gotta.
Had a moment, but
They had
it
a
came and
moment.
went.
It's on to something else now.
We have some new
Tide
shit.
Pods, you get a chance to fully cook. Because then remember people coming, like Gronk came out and was like, don't eat
Hey
Tide
guys,
Pods.
yo, if Gronk got to tell you not to eat Tide Pods,
But that kind of made you want to eat the Tide Pod.
yeah,
Like,
that's a fact.
anytime someone tells you not to do something, you're
It's like, oh, word?
Why?
Why
You
shouldn't
turn
I?
into like a curious 4-year-old. Like,
Huh?
what?
Why
Why can't I touch the stove?
why not? Oh my God, I can't. Ah, that's why.
But you're going to touch it again later in life.
That stove is Tide Pods, motherfucker.
Yo, remember clowns? Remember when clowns were everywhere?
That was the thing?
Yeah. Yes. The whole country was terrified. Like
Oh, yeah, that's right. Yeah, the killer clowns.
No, not killer. It was just clowns.
It was just clowns running around?
Yeah, just like, Killer Clowns is a whole nother thing.
I think that's a movie franchise.
That's an excellent movie, which we should also bring back.
You know what I'm saying? Killer Clowns from Outer Space. When they shoot motherfuckers and they turn into confetti. You know what I'm saying? Remember that?
Spoiler.
Yeah.
I mean,
spoiler alert.
Our millennials that didn't see him. Oh.
This shit is on Netflix. Shout out to Netflix for having terrible horror movies that I watched smacked.
And good anime is like Neil Yo-Yo.
Yeah.
Pink Christmas. Be sure to check that out.
Yeah.
Now available, starring Jada Smith and the boys.
Gottlieb, Lexi, we in the building, holla.
Just throw all our money out the window. Mero.
I said terrible horror movies. The anime is strong. You know what I'm
Right.
saying? The anime is strong.
As is the brand.
That's just the brand.
You don't even watch anime. Name 5 anime films.
Gundam Wing, Death Note, Ninja Scroll, Dragon Ball Z, the other one.
I feel like giving you the wild wedgie right now. Catch you outside of school, like, hey, nerd, give me your Magic the Gathering cards.
Give me your acid jerk.
While you run for the 4 chain.
Like, no. Oh, memories. Because as you know, I went to Glen High School and Bronx High was right there. And chased a lot of kids to the 4 train. You know what I'm saying? For their Pokemon cards.
Sad. Why would you do that?
Because they had the holographic joints. You know what I'm saying? I have the holographic joints. She was real.
That's what you were doing in your youth in the Bronx?
Smoking Angel Dust and playing Pokemon.
I was sponsoring Wayward Kids.
Like me.
and I was helping clean the Bronx River. Had a big net.
Yo, shout out to the Bronx River because it's 2 inches deep and there's like 48 tires in it.
No, they cleaned it up now. It has a damn, I forgot it has a mascot now, a beaver. Oh, Juan the Beaver.
Juan the Beaver?
Listen.
He's like the.
I'm not racist. I'm just saying why we gotta have an ethnicity for the beaver.
Papi, I hate because and the super the river.
I mean, for all my good white people that were living in the Bronx in the 50s, like why his name can't be like David the Beaver?
Dave the Beaver.
You know, it used to be a good river. Now we got
you know there's fucking
it's clean, but now the fucking beaver got the big Puerto Rican flag and shit. Like yo, he's not there during the parade.
This is mad empty cans of Coors Light everywhere.
Shout out to Juan the Beaver.
Shout out to Juan the Beaver.
We get him on the show. Yeah. You could kill him and have him in the background of the Showtime show. Like
we could put a hat on him, a tiny little hat.
That might not resonate with the Bronx residents. But most people don't even know we have a beaver as a resident.
They're just finding out right now, bro.
I don't even think the beaver knows either.
No, he don't know. He's just there. He's just
drunk off Coronas
he got lost and shit. He went to La Marina once and got lost. Like, wow.
Speaking of La Marina, moment of silence. One of the greatest clubs one of the greatest parking lots covered in sand is no longer going to be open for us to party and purchase illegal drugs.
They lost it.
No more La Marina.
Damn.
I mean, it got closed down with mad health violations and they were selling drugs in it.
Also, but hey, you know what I'm saying?
Time.
But listen, what's a health code violation, really?
True.
At the end of the day, you know what I'm saying?
Health code violations are weird because it's more about your immune system.
You know what I mean?
If anything,
if I see a C, I'm like, yo, this is gonna help me build my immunity.
There you go.
You know what I'm saying? To foodborne illnesses. You know what I'm saying?
There you go. See, because I mean, if you eat street meat, if you've lived in New York long enough and you've ever had like a gyro or something, you can eat anything.
Anything, fam.
I'll go to a restaurant. I didn't even wash the dishes. I'll be fine. You're not getting E. coli. You're not getting nothing.
You don't gotta wipe the table down. Nothing. Just let me rock.
Here's a hint. If you have a child, make them lick the poles on the subway.
Yeah, and the windows on
That's
the bus.
how you get, herd immunization?
Yeah. That's hood vaccines.
That's it.
If you're anti-vax, but you're in the hood, like, just look a window on the
problem
bus.
with anti-vax, it sounds cool.
Yeah.
It sounds really cool.
It sounds mad cool.
Like, you won't be down with that.
Until Jenny McCarthy's like, hey, guys, don't vaccinate your children. They'll die. They'll die. They'll die.
That seems like such a weird thing to just be like. That sounds like something my parents would have gotten into because it would like vaccinations cost how much?
$5.
We'll pay for it when he gets sick.
You'll be all right. You get chicken pox once. That's it.
Anti-vax you don't vaccinate your kids for anything.
Period. Wow. Nothing.
And none of you didn't do it. With
I'm not an idiot.
You didn't do it with just one of your kids just to see?
No, I'm like,
just like a sample, sir.
I do got, it's like, yo, you're the safety. No, I do got 4. I got 4, but it's like. I'm like, I want 4 of y'all to live. It's like a raffle ticket. You know what I'm saying? Every one of my kids is a raffle ticket. I'm like, one of y'all is gonna win me something. You know what I'm saying? I want a fucking return on my investment.
I mean, what kind of raffle we talking here? We talking about like playing the MLB or like the local church's spaghetti dinner? Like
you want an iPod first generation? Here you go, yo, with no charger.
All right. Well, shout out to you for getting vaccinating your kids. I guess that's something you congratulate people for now.
Like I halfway did it because I did like half dosages.
You have your kids on vaccination layaway?
Yeah, pretty much. Exactly. Yeah, true. Like true story. Like half the shot now.
Like gonna go put $3 on the measles. Like
listen.
Yo, shorty, I got you with that rubella next week.
Yo, listen, I got the mumps. I got half of the mumps. I got my final payment for the measles.
How do you have them halfway?
Because of the whole anti-vaccination craze, like you know what I'm saying, people are like nervous. So it's like you can ask to get a dose of the vaccination and then and see how it affects your kid and then come back and get the other half.
So basically you, with absolutely no experience ever studying medicine, go and tell a professional
the doctor
cut a dose in half?
No, the doctor was
see
like,
shit?
The pediatrician was like, yeah, like everybody's doing it now.
I would take the dose and kick your whole family out of my office. Like, get the fuck out of here. I went to school for 8 years. You're not going to tell
me what to do.
So you have a Yankee logo on the jersey. Get the fuck out of here. Wow.
I just pull up Matt High like, yo, listen, I want like, just give me like a quarter of that measles. Like a quarter.
They can order vaccinations off the menu. Let me get a motherfucking. Y'all got vaccine gyros?
Y'all got polio?
Oh shit.
Y'all got polio vaccines?
Do they still do polio vaccines? We beat that, right? That's the last. Is that the last disease we beat?
Is it a wrap for polio?
No, they said it was coming back. Like some people, because they're not vaccinating their kids, so
now
there's places
polio's
that has
back.
polio.
See, stupid, fucking idiot. Now my kid got Zika because of your kid.
I don't think Zika.
No,
it's not Zika. Zika's not the Zika is what we used to worry about, but now it's just like polio and measles. Like,
I can't even keep track of this shit, bro.
Well, you're a parent. You got to. I'm the one that don't need to keep track of this shit.
It's too much.
Like if I get polio, I just gotta make some phone calls. Like yo. Remember the other night at Output? Yeah. You might want to check yourself for rickets.
Yeah. Supreme is doing a crutch drop soon. You know what I'm saying? You can use those.
Supreme did a crutch drop.
You know what I mean?
Supreme still got time to come out with an iron lung.
Let's get it.
That would be. I'll wait a lot for that.
Who's the boss of Supreme? Dude, there you go. That's your new shit.
Is that the end game?
Supreme Iron Lung.
We bring him back. We're not vaccinating our kids, so we can get the Supreme Iron Lung. That seems like a bit of a stretch, but
I got Supreme nebulizer on deck. You know what I'm saying? I got Supreme sleep apnea machine.
We gotta stop making sleep apnea jokes. So what DM me? It was like they were funny in the beginning, but
you gotta chill. My man got sleep apnea. He was like, "Yo, you think that shit's funny, nigga?"
You know, it's a lot of work. Because I thought it was just you just strapped up. You gotta clean the mask.
Yeah,
like,
bro. My man's wife was like, "Yo, I gotta roll this motherfucker. I gotta turn this motherfucker. The mask be coming off and shit." Like, I'm like, "Oh damn, I didn't know it was that serious, bro."
My biggest fear is like something that we mock on this podcast. One of us gets.
Yo,
people gonna let us have it, boy.
And now
when we watch MSNBC and I'm doing those sleep apnea commercials and I got the wild hoop earring.
Yo, I'm just sitting right next to you with the two fucking.
It's me.
And shit, like.
It's me, you, and Montel Jordan. Like, yo, this is how we breathe now.
This is how we breathe out. Sniffing at a roll.
Oh, sad.
Damn, bro. It's sad. Sniffing at her sad.
Is it? Was that ever like cool?
Was it? It's never cool to sniff. Adderall is like, yo, I got a paper due in 10 hours.
Yeah, Adderall doesn't even work like that. You just sniff it and it's like, not a fucking can of spinach, you know Popeye. It's not gonna like have you out here.
Come on, bro. You're not in the club like dum 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 dum. Fucking follow me, Adderall, yeah.
No, but, I mean a good blast of Adderall will have you putting all your T-shirts in like colored fucking Roy G. Biv, and you open your car and like, whoa.
Go through the garbage, putting the tags back on the shirts.
Fucking taking off the keys on your keyboard, putting them in alphabetical order, still sending emails. That's a good time. A little Vyvanse action there.
A little Vyvanse. Oh my god.
You calculating the RBIs of the baseball game by your head. Like, 351.
Yeah, 49. Turn into Jonah Hill and Moneyball and shit. Like, yeah. Spit out mad stats. Like, yo, what's wrong with this
Vegas
motherfucker?
Counting cards and shit. Not even sleeping. Like, yeah.
Yo, Vyvanse will keep you awake for 6 weeks.
Vyvanse, those are supposed to be like the more responsible.
The responsible,
like, it's like a doctor gave these to you.
No. I mean, a doctor also gives you Adderall.
It's a different doctor. Like a doctor that's just giving you Adderall, you might be next to someone with a gunshot wound. Like, yo, shit is like private practice and shit.
Shout out to all the doctors you just go to and you're like, yo, just give me this, and they just give you that.
I think those days are over. It's not how it used to be. You can't just be getting like.
Also,
they got the database now, where anytime that you get any kind of prescription drugs, they have to check if you already have a prescription.
Yeah.
Says you have to bust out the extra social security numbers. Yeah. Like, my name is Raul Guantanamez.
Guantanamez.
Yeah.
Oh,
I have sciatica, so I'm gonna need a little couple opioids. My guy. No, they denied me. I think Tylenol too.
What?
I was very embarrassed. Like,
wow.
I was the dentist, and I was like, after a root canal, it was like, you want like, and I was like, sweetie, I'm gonna need something stronger.
Tylenol too?
I was like,
for a root canal?
I was like, yeah, like Tylenol 6. Like, how's this shit work?
Is the 2 like an exponent? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like,
and Tylenol 2 is like what they give kids in Canada. So.
Fam, this shit is over the counter in Canada.
Well, they don't really have counters and shit. They got like barrels.
It's over the moose in Canada. Yo,
they're like, that's very funny. You guys have no health insurance.
I'm like, damn, bro.
I was like, damn, they got us.
Yeah, he's like, damn.
Just Norm laughing at us.
And our leader is way sexier than yours. He's like, damn, you got that too. Damn, you're right.
Yeah, Justin Trudeau, he's a looker.
He's a looker. He's a dreamy.
He's dreamy.
Yeah. He got like white guy movie star hair. You know what I'm saying? Like he could be a leading man.
Justin Trudeau looks the way Donald Trump thinks he looks.
Yeah.
When he looks at himself in the mirror, he probably does that thing where he flexes the pecs.
Yeah, look at that. Look
presidential.
At yeah.
MAGA.
Peep the bounce. Terry Crews in his bitch.
So wait, he's paying women just to say he never slept with them, or not to get the, what is it? The BDR, the bad dick report.
Yeah, you don't want the BDR.
You don't want the bad dick report.
Because he's giving out that
wild weak
coke dick. That weak ass Adderall dick.
He probably still got the tie on. Oh, Adderall. Oh. Yeah, he got the Vienna sausage out.
My man just down there eating the ass for 2 hours.
Trying to make anything happens. Come on.
He keeps asking, is it good? Is that good?
I gotta go through this. I gotta go through this. This nigga wiggling it.
Wiggle it just a little bit. Come on.
Come on. Don't do this to me.
Come on.
All right, Donald, get out your head.
Come on.
You're overthinking it.
Jeff Sessions already disappointed me. Don't disappoint me too.
Think about the beach. Okay, calm waves.
Ivanka.
All right, no stress. She's not looking at you.
She's looking at him like, yo,
what are you doing?
She's looking at the clock like, God damn, when is this shit gonna be over?
I'm about to tweet about this guy.
Why are you holding your dick while you fucking me, my guy? Like, what is wrong with you?
He's doing he's pushing rope.
He looks like you riding a horse and shit. Like, how does that feel? Yeah.
You call that the city slickers.
Yeah.
Got thrown a Mets jersey.
I learned this from Billy Crystal.
Now you put the image of Billy Crystal having sex in my head.
What does Billy Crystal look like now, dog? The last image I have in my head of Billy Crystal is him like at a Yankee game.
Billy Crystal definitely looks like he was in New York in the 80s.
Okay.
That's how he looks.
Okay.
That's the most accurate description I can give you.
Yes.
Man.
If you don't know what that means, just Google it.
Billy Crystal, a New York legend.
Yes. Google Billy Crystal 2018 and see what he looks like.
Oh, me? Oh. No.
You, motherfucker. We're not doing all the work. You do some work. Go Google Billy Crystal, 2018. What he looks like right now.
Giving people homework and shit?
Yeah,
they just trying to enjoy a podcast.
No. This is work, motherfucker. We got to do work. Fuck out of here. Think I woke up at 7 a.m. just for entertain you motherfuckers? Fuck out of here. Tired of this shit.
Are you gonna quit?
No, that's we
gotta talk.
I just start tweeting and shit like, "Yo, Jesus, man, we gotta talk, man."
Yo, can I just ask you if we ever have beef? Let's not do it on the timeline.
I got you.
Because the first tweet,
we'll do it like
if I ever see a tweet and it's like DJ talking to me, I'm gonna pick up the phone like, "Motherfucker, what's wrong with you?
What's wrong with you? Nigga, fucking up the bag, motherfucker."
You're not making a phone call. You gonna get a call for Showtime, Sherry, Victor, everyone. People we don't even work with anymore. Juice Box, everyone's calling. Yeah, you know Shade Room's gonna have that like
T-report, comment creeping. Mero leaves funky emojis in Jesus' DM. Oh my God.
Those I'd block you. Start going under your old post and putting pictures like, yo.
If we ever had beef, I would do it like a true West Indian and just leave you 20 WhatsApp voice notes.
I'd be like, I'm not answering this shit.
And I just see the double check and be like, damn, he read the shit. Fucker.
Damn.
Send me a barrel.
So should we avoid getting on Drake's bad side?
Yes.
Damn.
Apparently yes, because he will fuck you up.
Drake runs things?
He runs things. Things don't run him. Your best, I'm not wrong.
Oh, Kanye said Drake paid for 200 seats at Pusha T's concert?
Oh, he did the 50 jobs?
But he had like people there, and that's why they were throwing the water, and it hurts his soul.
Wow.
This is all really messy. It's all really messy and really catty.
Wow.
Remember when rap beef people would die?
Yeah. Or at least freestyle.
Yeah, now people just like stealing people's Amazon packages from their fucking door and shit. Just giving a middle finger to their Nest camera. Like,
fuck you.
Take that.
Take dickhead.
I know you're watching.
Or the seamless to your crib.
Enjoy that wonton soup. And I didn't tip him. I left you on the bag for that.
Drake steals Kanye's Uber and shit. Like Uber driver's like, Kanye? Drake is like, yes.
Yeah,
that's me.
It's ruthless.
He didn't even care where he's going. He's like, we're going to Santa Monica. I don't care.
Kanye standing there like, how'd the ride start already?
You fucking mosquito.
Oh. Wait, is Uber evil this week?
Is it?
Because like every other week we find like Uber would be really good for like a week and then it'll be something really bad.
Yeah.
Like they open the hood and actually kids in there instead of an engine. It's really
it's like Flintstones, like just mad little toddlers.
They're like, free me. That's enough. That's enough. We going. Like, oh shit.
Yo, stop. We got to pull over. I got to get some more Go-Gurts.
I love how we pretend that Uber, Lyft, and all the other ones are all different.
Yeah, no,
they're just all the same rides.
Yeah, Lyft, you just got the little cute mustache, so you're like, oh, there's something.
They don't really have they don't have the cute mustache anymore. They just have like the pink light, and the guy's just mad disgruntled.
Yeah, he just flips the sign over to Uber anyway, or to Juno, or to whatever the fuck.
And some of these drivers are not low. Sometimes you could tell they just been driving around all day farting in the car.
Yo, fam.
Because there's no reason for the car to smell like that. Fam, that's not a natural smell.
Fam, you got a leather interior and it's smelling like fart,
man.
Like, come on, dog, you got a sunroof.
That's not a normal. Usually a smell is like taps you on the shoulder, like.
Nah.
Hi.
That shit,
How's
as
it
soon as
going?
you get in the car, it's like,
Just grab you by the nose like, motherfucker.
yo, smelling shit.
Your rating going down right now. You should have a smell rating at Uber. Yeah, because it could be a 5-star trip.
5-star trip, excellent farter.
But you get in there, he's eating some baba ganoush, get a couple extra puffs on the BQE. Every time he hits a bump, it's like.
I respect the Uber driver that just farts like blatantly and doesn't give a fuck.
Yeah, but then those are the ones that get too comfortable, start running red lights and shit.
Listen, sometimes you need that. Sometimes you run 10 minutes behind.
You don't want your Uber driver to be just because your Uber driver is reckless with their life. I didn't sign up for all that, okay? I don't want to have to do that move where after like he goes through one red light, I have to like slowly put my seatbelt on, but not loud enough so he hears it. Like, yo, this nigga trying to kill me. All right.
Just pretend you put your book back down. Like,
He just sees you. He makes eye contact through the mirror. You all right, boss?
You all right?
You all right? Everything back there?
Yo.
Temperature good?
Poppy, okay?
What type of music you want to listen to?
Why you put seatbelt?
You look like a hip hop nigga. What's up?
Poppy, you scared? You nervous?
Or you start using like the fucking handle on the door, like, oh shit. That's what the shit is.
Oh shit, this nigga got the child lock on. Fuck. You can't even drop and roll and shit. Like
he drops the car in like a pothole and then apologizes to the car by hitting the dashboard, like, ooh, sorry, baby.
Yeah,
like,
sorry.
no. Why are you doing 70 on that residential street?
Come on, fam. In a Hyundai Sonata? Like, come on. You're doing too much.
I just thought we would probably be Uber drivers if we didn't have a podcast.
Abso-fucking-lutely.
Yeah.
Abso-fucking-lutely.
And not good ones either.
Terrible ones, fam.
Not following the GPS and shit.
Yo, you know how to go? Where you going?
Where you going? They got a 2nd Avenue in Brooklyn?
What?
Shit. You learn something new every day.
Oh, shit. That's crazy.
Like,
y'all
hold on. I got to Yo, I'm going 2nd Avenue in Brooklyn.
Yo, this is crazy. Yo,
That's what I said.
Yo, peep it, yo.
Yo,
look at this shit.
What's up?
Yo.
Yo, you like hip hop? I made some beats. I could do the ad-libs for you.
Yo. I actually had an Uber driver, like, because I was smoking. I was like, yo, can I smoke in the car? Because I smelled like
aren't you bold?
I smelled smoke in the car. So I was like, you smoking in the car? He's like, yeah. It was like, dude was like 20-something. He's like, yeah, you can smoke. So I'm smoking. He's like, yo, you smoke bud? I was like, yeah.
Wait, what were you smoking? And he asked if you were smoking bud.
I was smoking a cigarette.
Oh, you were smoking. That's okay.
Because I smelled bud. So I was like, all right, this is either.
Got you.
You know what I'm saying? So I'm smoking a cigarette, and then he's just like, yo, what kind of music you into? I was like, oh shit, here we go. Here we go. I was like, yeah, like hip hop, you know what I'm saying? Like, I grew up on like merengue and shit like that. He's like, yo, I got a tape, yo, you wanna listen to this shit? I'm like, we're in the Lincoln Tunnel, like I'm like, what am I gonna say? No?
Imagine you rejected. Like there's like 20 minutes left on it?
Not really, fam.
Not feeling it.
We're an
this
hour.
Ain't it, Chief.
We're an hour away from my destination, but nah.
Did he have bars?
No, he did not.
Damn.
At all. He did not have bars.
How soon into the song did you realize he did not have bars?
As soon as he turned the shit on, the beat dropped, and he was like, "Yo!" I was like, "Nah, this is not it."
He wasn't bringing that Baby Shark heat.
No, he was not bringing that Baby Shark heat at all.
Oh man,
I was like, dude, not play this shit.
Everyone that got kids was like, I get that reference.
Yeah, I get it.
Or people like me, I was like, what the fuck is Baby Shark?
I had to Google Baby Shark. It's funny because I went home and I see Baby Shark on Twitter, and I just like randomly started saying it in the crib, and then all my kids like activated like fucking Alexas in the crib, like. They're all in different rooms, like Baby Shark, do. I'm like, what the fuck, bro? Like, how do you know about? Oh, it's on YouTube. It's like 1 million hits on YouTube. I was like, what the fuck?
My neighbor's kid was singing in the elevator, and first of all, I was like, all right, it's 7. Like, you're starting your day, I'm ending mine, so I need you to bring that down a little.
Chill, like turn it down,
because I'm leaning on the wall, like, yo, press 5 because all the buttons is moving. But
press 55.
Like, just hit all the buttons, like, fuck it, I'll eventually reach home.
I'll just take the local fucking.
But the mother was just like, that's all he sings at home is just Baby Shark over and over and over. And the way she said it was like birth control. I was like, oh shit. Like, nah, stop. You like sleeping? I slept in a week. All I hear is Baby Shark.
Fucking Baby Shark. What the fuck? She's driving me crazy. Yo.
I thought Baby Shark was that other one about the father and the sugar. Wasn't that popular with babies?
Yeah.
Is there a chart where like you can find like what songs babies are listening to?
The baby Billboard 100,
Yeah.
Hot 100.
I'm Casey Kasem.
Welcome to the Baby Billboard Hot 100. At the number one, we have for the 20th week in a row, we have Yes Papa. Telling lies, no Papa. I'm like, that sounds mad creepy, dog.
All baby songs sound creepy. But I guess because they're not written for adults, there's not really songwriting. There's no lead up. There's no character development. It's like singing about color. Like, yo, I got a circle. The circle's blue. Kids are like, yo that's what I call motherfucking bars, nigga.
You know nothing about that.
You're the remix parallelogram.
Yo, shit.
That's that J. Cole shit. You're not ready for that.
You're not ready, chill. Yo, you gotta overstand that,
yo,
brother.
That's for like 5th graders.
Come on, son. You're not ready, nigga. Come on, you ain't even on grade level.
Yo,
that's that Common Core shit, nigga.
You got the diss track D for dog.
Yo, up next we got this fire. Spot goes to school.
You got the 7th graders like, y'all don't listen to that old school. Well, give me that hop on pop shit.
Yeah,
that's that real hip hop shit.
Yeah, that real 10 apples on top
Yo,
shit.
Put on that green eggs and ham. That's that real shit.
Real shit, real hip hop.
Does Dr. Seuss still release new shit?
I think he's dead.
You're supposed to know this shit.
I'm pretty sure he's dead.
You can still release. Then you got Ghost Riders.
I mean, Pac do it. So
Rafi. Oh, damn, I can't. Rafi. You got to put proper.
Rafi.
Well, he got new music coming out.
Oh, he does.
You know, he became an anti-war protester, and he's like lives in Canada.
Well, shout out to him.
But he also made guap off the what was this song like Baby Beluga?
Oh yeah. Oh shit. Nigga said Baby Beluga.
Baby Beluga was like fucking Mo Bamba back in the day, man.
What? You heard that shit?
That shit would come on. I got Baby Belugas and a nigga's on. Just tearing up the daycare like, yo.
Nigga, what? Really rocking like
trying to go to a nap. You're like, bitch, no. Start throwing blocks.
Yes, y'all, and I'm eating baby eggs.
Baby Beluga.
Oh my God. Is caviar a real thing, or did I just make that up because I want to sound rich?
I don't know, but I thank you that you feel comfortable enough asking me. Like, I wouldn't have the answer for that because I don't. I didn't even know like that's where caviar came from.
Yeah, it's fish eggs.
I thought it was like Spamalot or some shit.
Spamalot?
I thought it came in like a can.
You thought it was a musical starring Clay Aiken?
The fact that you had that reference on deck, I have questions for the cameras not rolling. No, I didn't realize there were different types of Are you out here? Are you ordering caviar on Seamless?
No, yo, I'm not gonna hold you. I ordered sushi with caviar on it the other day. It was delicious.
Well, that's okay. That's
you know
that's
like a mid flex.
I thought you were getting like chopped cheese with caviar.
Yeah, like weird flex, but okay.
Caviar.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, there's levels to this
but
shit.
You have to have like special utensils to eat caviar and all this.
Yeah,
shit.
you gotta have like a tiny spoon. You know what I'm saying? Just eat the fucking eggs.
That's just a change because you know what we use the Chinese spoons for.
Yeah, the Adderall.
Gotta get started.
Yeah, give me a Diet Coke.
Damn, caviar is really out here like that, huh?
Yeah, caviar, Adderall, we out here. Just combine the two.
I don't that shit. That's New Year's right there. I was about to say no, but that might be the new wave.
Adderall and caviar. that's
rolling a blunt with it.
The Peanut Butter Boys mixtape dropping soon.
Adderall and caviar.
Adderall and caviar.
Do you have caviar at Applebee's?
I think so. Yeah, but it's
you clearly have not been to Applebee's.
They
in
nuke
years.
it. Just nuke it.
When's the last time you've been to Applebee's? I know you live in that rich life in Jersey now. What's the most popping slow food place
joint?
in Jersey?
Slow food place in Jersey.
Like it was like
well, I mean, like I'm a Bronx nigga, so like, I'm a trash bag. Like I just go to the food court. I just fuck Chick-fil-A up. Like everybody at Chick-fil-A knows who I am. Like I go straight to Chick-fil-A. Like I go to the mall for anything, and I go straight to Chick-fil-A first because I smoke an entire blunt in the parking lot. Under the cover, you know what I'm saying? And the indoor shit, not the outdoor shit because it's a hot boy.
Okay.
Gets wild smacked, walk through Neiman, you know what I'm saying? Just that fake floss like, oh shit, oh, little Givenchy, you know what I'm saying? Saying the French. You know what I mean? Then boom, hit the Lego store, you know what I'm saying? See what's popping over there. I lost my train of thought. It doesn't matter.
You go to Chick-fil-A.
And then I go to Chick-fil-A. Boom.
So,
and I get extra
Chick-fil-A is delicious.
Because it's fucking delicious.
It's so good that you would throw any allyship with the LGBT community under the bus.
Listen.
For fried chicken?
Listen.
Wow.
Listen.
Wow.
Listen. I support all my brothers and sisters in the struggle, you know what I'm saying? And also all my gender fluid people. But them nuggets be hitting, bro.
Wow.
That Polynesian's supposed to be fucking hitting, bro. And I don't even know if it's Polynesian. I think that's cultural appropriation. That might be.
When was the last time you seen a Polynesian working the counter at Chick-fil-A? To be fair, I've only been to 2 Chick-fil-A's, but
the dude from Moana is fucking giving you chicken sandwich. I don't even know if that's the right. Damn, fuck, we wildin'. Problematic.
You know what? Chick-fil-A, there's a lot of Chick-fil-A's in New York for everything New York stands for.
You know what I'm saying?
And Chick-fil-A came in and was like, nah, we just old Chick-fil-A and we not open on Sundays. Why? That's Jesus Day, nigga.
Because Jesus Day, motherfucker. I'm like, yo, what if?
And we put up with it. Well, that's the only place that's like, yo, we're not gonna be open on a certain day. And we're like, all right, I just come on Monday. That's cool.
I'll be like, I just go on Saturday, bro. I'll just send a goy.
If Chick-fil-A wasn't as polite as they, do you say a goy?
I'll just send the goy to get my Chick-fil-A on Saturday. Shout out to my Jew gang. You know what I'm saying? We out here banging. Judaism gang, we out here.
All right. I can't even see you over here. You're over here saying Drake's culturally appropriated. Look at you. You've been like 4 different nationalities so far on this podcast, Mero. You got Regal in one hand. You got some Haman touches over here. Pick a side.
Yo, this brisket is hitting.
Is Hanukkah over? Was your Hanukkah popping?
My Hanukkah was kind of lit. I got some cologne and shit and some PlayStation games.
That don't sound fun.
I wanted a chain, but
you have a chain.
I wanted another chain.
You can't be giving chains on Hanukkah. I don't know anything about that. I've never seen any of my Jewish friends just come out with a wild brolic link chain after Hanukkah
with the Jesus piece.
Yes, with the Jesus piece.
Yo, juice for Jesus, juice for Jesus, juice for Jesus. We out here.
Like people are like, yo, we can't do the Seder prayer because your chain's banging the table.
I'm sorry, yo. Sorry.
You got it in the plate for Elijah.
Oh, sorry. Somebody get my chain out of the green bean casserole, please.
You got it in the lockers.
It's stuck.
You said a chain. What kind of, a chain with your face on it, or like a dreidel?
Yeah.
Wow, no one's ever done like a spinning dreidel. Like, remember how
a dreidel chain?
A dreidel chain that just keeps spinning and it's iced out,
and it got like chocolate in it. Oh, it's okay. Lit. It got gelt. Yeah. Real gelt in it. Like you open it up and it's like whoop.
I've heard that word before. So yes, gelt.
Yeah. I got mad gelt on deck at the crib.
That's just chocolate, right?
It's just chocolate coins. Yeah, that's it.
I'm almost on to you people. All right. Y'all running a scam.
We're running scams. They just want to get days off from school.
So wait, you give candy out and this holiday's not too far away from Halloween?
Yeah. So it's like, yo.
You just passing the gelt down?
Your gelt is in the shape of a Snickers mini now. Fam, here's the leftovers. Take that and enjoy it, stupid.
How much gelt do you give? Like,
you know what I'm saying? Got a little donut, so I'm just out here at Dollar Tree, just copping all the gelt.
Oh, does it have to be those gold coins?
Yeah. In a little mesh bag.
Wow, you learn so much.
You know what I'm saying?
Why a mesh bag? Why?
I don't know. They just come in mesh bags. I don't know. Somebody monopolized gelt, and there's one company that makes all of it, and it all comes in mesh bags.
Big gelt.
Yeah, big gelt. Damn. We gotta investigate big gelt. That's what we're gonna do on our Showtime show. Investigate big gelt. You know what I'm saying? See how they're Philip Morris of gelt.
How they're brainwashing kids into getting gelt at school. Gelt. All right, you learn something new every day on this podcast.
Out here, bro.
I think you just learned something new as well. So
I'm in the seasonal aisle, just copping mad candles and gelt and shit. Like, yo.
What's the best part of Hanukkah?
The disappointment on my kid's face when they open books after the first day of Hanukkah.
Damn.
Because the first day is like, yo, Nintendo Switch. Second day is like, here's a book, nigga, about Hanukkah.
Well, I mean, they shot too far with it. Like, what is it? 12 days?
8 days.
8 days.
8 days. That's a lot. That's a lot of gifts.
I think of it like this: like when people visit your house, is there anyone you know that you would let chill in your house for 8 days? You gonna get sick of them? Like you wake up like, God damn, it's still Hanukkah.
You still here, Mom?
Damn. Here, take these socks.
Yo, I'll buy you tickets to the here, please.
See, like Kwanzaa, we made the same mistake. How many days are there in Kwanzaa, people? Very quiet in here. Very quiet in here.
Heavy's like,
I guess we're gonna have to do a Kwanzaa special at Showtime.
Heavy says 7 or 8, like it's a showcase showdown.
He turned his face. It was like 12 and a possible. But you know what? There's no Kwanzaa guide. All we just need is one song. You know what? If we learn the Cupid Shuffle from the Cupid Shuffle song, if we make a Kwanzaa song with instructions, like 2 hops this time, we can make Kwanzaa a thing.
I was gonna say Kwanzaa great again. But
no, we're not making Kwanzaa. We're not wearing red MAK hats. Make Kwanzaa great again. Maca. Yeah, and damn, if we had done some Kwanzaa licensing with Black Panther,
you know what I'm saying?
We missed out.
We would have fucked that shit up.
That shit up.
Woo! Damn.
Have like a Kwanzaa bush, I guess.
Black Panther Kwanzaa candles. Damn, bro.
I'm sure they have them, but like at Crenshaw swap meet and shit.
Yeah, like
this ain't authorized.
Yeah, nah. Not just somebody putting stickers, printing out stickers and putting them on candles.
It's like Black Panther, y'all. Like, no, there's no y'all in it. Like,
there's no y'all.
Now you turn into Blaxploitation. So I'm the Black Panther. You got the wild afro. Like,
what up, B? Somebody just scrubbed out the Mac.
Wakanda's just a boulevard in Spanish Harlem.
Yo, Kwanzaa needs to rebrand, B. Just like Scientology, B. Like and Jehovah's Witnesses.
Those are 3 different things. Yeah. Those are 3 very different things.
I don't even know what Scientology. Yo, honestly, you
don't have to. We're popping. We will be Scientology in like a year.
In a year?
We're super gullible.
What's the over-under? What's the over-under us being Scientologists?
I feel you could be in Scientology before I can. Like, I'm probably just gonna like meet some Hollywood chick and she's gonna force me into it or some shit.
She's like, yo, fuck Kabbalah. This shit is
like, nah, she got me wearing some red string. I don't know. I'm donating 8% of my profits. But if your kids were Scientologists, it'd be cute.
I just have the little meter attached to them and shit. Like, yo, we got to get rid of this one.
The Zeta levels are down.
The vibes aren't good.
No, Syracuse was cute when she was like not talking and shit. Syracuse. Cruise. Not cute. All right, I left out a letter.
Syracuse.
I'm like, why you guys don't know this girl's name? You think about Melo? Like, oh shit, it's shoot for 3.
Yeah. I'm like, yo, nobody wants to go to Syracuse.
Cruise.
Shout out to her. What is she doing now? Is she like at Whole Foods?
I guess getting deprogrammed and shit.
She's on her charging dock. Like, yo, Tom Cruise is all of 4 feet tall.
Well, we all know that.
Yeah.
But we accept it.
You know what I'm saying? That's for the younger crowd that didn't know.
But see, once you realize it, now his movies, they're just like ridiculous. Yeah. You know he's like on an Apple box with 10 takes.
Yeah, he's on Top Gun, like sitting on a phone book and shit. Like, yo.
What's that one he was in? It was like, it was not John Wick. It was another one, and it had like the wild fake porno name.
Fuck.
Jack Reacher, yeah. That's definitely the name of a person checking into a hotel to cheat on their wife. Like, so Mr. Jack Reacher
I'm Jack Reacher. Yeah.
But then you're watching it, he's fucking people up, and I'm like, wow. Tom Cruise. Wait a minute. And you start noticing the camera angles are weird. I was like, where's his ankles?
How come you never see his feet?
Is he on a booster seat in that car?
He got the Bootsy Collins fucking shoes on and shit. Like,
I wanna fuck you. Tom
Jack
Cruise.
Reacher. That's such a Pinot name too.
That
like,
is.
yo, like fam.
Jack Reacher. The doctor will see you now.
Oh. Jack Reacher and Jaden James and Naughty Nurses 5.
I'm mad I was going to correct you and tell you what number of Naughty Nurses is up to, but you know what? It's actually 57. Give them their work.
Yo, porns have the longest running franchises in like
it's called
history.
Naughty Nurses. There's no backstory. it's a girl in a nursing hat. We're not following her through medical school. There's no.
She's at Mero and Scrubs.
There's no
and
scene
shit,
of just her like out frustrated studying for the finals. Like, well, there might be, and then like she gets the wild massage. Like, oh, you're so tense.
Oh,
it's
yo,
like,
yo, is this phlebotomy? Yo, it's killing me. Yo, it's OD. Oh, God.
Pino. That nursing, like, is that like the definitive occupation? That and babysitters, porno, and teachers.
Oh yeah. And for,
you never see like tax attorney.
Yeah, never
A paralegal.
No, never. Taking it beyond tax attorney, you never seen a Pinot where somebody is got the Statue of Liberty shit on and they're spinning the sign in front of the tax place, like, come get your taxes done here. You know what I'm saying? That has never been made into a Pinot, and it should
yet.
Be. Yeah,
that would be kind of hot.
You know what I'm saying? To keep the crown on and shit, like
still wearing the Statue of Liberty outfit.
Yeah,
like, yo, give me your huddled masses. Like, oh shit,
spinning the sign while you smashing.
Someone at Liberty Tax Services is like brilliant.
Let's use it.
Shout out to Liberty Tax Services. If you people feel safe getting your taxes done at a place that is also a dry cleaner half the year.
Yeah, if they put on an awning for 2 months out of the year, like, good luck, fam.
Like, as soon as it turns midnight, April 15th, they're like, yo, we out.
We out. Now you can get $1.50
They leave
pizza.
mad receipts and shit on there. Like, yo, if the IRS call you, that's your ass. Like, they be asking you questions that they should know as like a taxer. They're like, yo, is that legal?
Yo, what's a 1099?
That's wild.
Do you give that to somebody else? Or
You know
bring it
what?
to me?
I think you mean why your social security number got so many digits? It should only be like 5, right? All right.
Yeah, right? It's like a zip.
They just be entering shit in the computer. And as soon as the shit turn green, they're like, all right, next. Yo, you got a tractor? I was like, no, I live in the Bronx. They're like, nah, we gonna put you down for a tractor.
Yeah, we gonna put you.
Yeah.
Don't tell nobody.
Farm subsidies.
I got you.
Sometimes you get nervous. You be like, yo, chill, like relax. I know I'm gonna get audited on that shit. Like, nah, chill.
Chill, you good.
Chill. We just gonna say you sublet the Port Authority.
Yeah. You run a child daycare center. Now you got man. How many nonprofits you want?
You know what? We make it 10.
3. Make it 10. I bet.
I'm like, yo, you realize we both going to jail, right? Nah, I'm just taking my chances.
He's like, fucking, I'm rolling the dice. I got one shot a year, my G.
Sometimes you look around that waiter who'll be like, this is not a safe place to file my taxes. These niggas are gonna steal my identity. But then usually, but by that time your credit is so fucked, you don't care if people steal your identity. It's like, it's not worth the trouble.
I'm like, yo, fam, if you steal my credit, you're welcome. Thank you.
All right, call Equifax so they can laugh at you. Like, boy.
Damn, how is this?
Hold up.
Is there supposed to be another digit in your credit score?
Shireen, come here. Come look at this.
This nigga credit score 86. What the fuck? I've never seen some shit like this.
Is that shit just an emoji?
It's the crying laughing emoji.
I like, what's taking so? They was like, with this credit score, you out in no rush, boy. I'm like, oh damn, man.
Oh shit.
I'm trying to rebuild my shit. What's a good credit score?
I think 700s, right? Yeah.
700s?
I keep looking at her like, yo, she knows everything. How many days of Kwanzaa? How many? What's taxes? She's like, yo, 8 days. Do your taxes. Da-da-da. I'm like, yo, shit.
Oh man.
Victor got some stiff competition as the fat god. What's the last day you could do your taxes?
No, you can do your taxes any day you want.
If you're not with
It's just about if you're talking about when the IRS wants your taxes, that's a whole different calendar. Because the thing about the IRS, like they're like, yo, even if you can't pay, you gotta let us know, and we'll work on a payment plan. But you're also like, fuck you.
Fuck yeah.
I don't got the money.
How about
Also,
that?
as you all know, I'm a sovereign citizen like Wesley Snipes. I do not respect the U.S. government. I follow nautical rules, and I do not pay taxes. I'm going to regret saying that.
Every tax season, he's just in a rowboat in international
I
waters.
just go, can't touch me.
You mad.
My CPA's a dolphin. All my receipts get wet in seawater. I'm like, I was at the Ritz. It's like kale on it.
A dolphin with a green visor pop out of the water like, you're getting audited.
Flipper. Come on. Make that happen.
With the big ass calculator with the fucking roll of paper on it.
Yo, Wesley Snipes really not paying
He
taxes?
didn't give a fuck.
Damn.
Nigga, you did Blade, bro.
Yeah,
that shit did numbers. Pay taxes, bro.
Anytime you let a black man run around with a leather jacket with a sword,
Come on, man.
he's gonna get gas.
Went to his head,
I
bro.
was like, yo, chill, Wesley.
Yo, Uncle Sam is a bloodsucker.
And they was on him since New Jack City. So.
Yeah.
Is that why we never? What did we get? We got Blade 2 and we never got Blade 3, right?
I think Blade Trinity.
That's not canon.
That's not canon. That's not even Criterion Collection.
All right. As I go back to film.blade on my my Yahoo Google group. I'm the only person that's still checking in. I'm like, guys, I really need you to respond to the emails when I send them out.
Come on, guys. If you're inactive for more than 2 months, we're going to remove you from the group.
By the way, I can't seem to log into our Flickr, so I don't know.
She just got a scrolling fucking text on the bottom. Straight GeoCities
shit.
flow.
Oh, God.
Shout out to the Angel Fire fan pages out there.
Oh, those old. That's what I said it on Twitter yesterday. That's what Kanye was doing. He was trying to bring back LiveJournal. Think about anytime you was like tweeted about someone that was mean to you. This person doesn't like me. They're bullying me.
What was this shit that was like LiveJournal but it had like kind of like an anime-ish name?
Hey!
Z-Way with the save! With the alley-oop! God damn, we out here. Whole gang in here.
Oof. What's the new? Damn, did Twitter and Facebook, they just ruin like, so there's no like niche.
That's it.
I mean, shout out to our aunties that are still on Black Planet. You know, it's still happening.
Yeah, shout out to Black Planet.
Still leaving that dripping cherry animated GIF.
Yeah, boy.
Y'all are both too old to be flirting, but you know what? Y'all gonna do it anyway.
Hey, you're talking about bracket, source, putting a link to a song in there, dot wave.
Just some maintenance worker like, damn, girl, you look good. I was like, that's my aunt. She has diabetes.
Stop.
Okay? Don't be leaving pages like that on her.
Why you think all her pictures are from the waist up?
He's like, yo, I like your pressure thighs. Like, no, chill.
Ooh.
Those are socks that help her circulation.
Fam,
What's
come
wrong
on.
with you?
That's not, her right foot is not real, B. Don't touch
She
it.
back on his page like, I like your sleep apnea machine.
Yo, hit my G-book, man.
Catch me sexy Nubian 402 at yahoo.com.
Like alternating caps.
I'm like, how long you had this email address?
You put that shit on a resume?
You just got just the one. Sexyberry49 at yahoo.com. They're like, ma'am, this is a job interview.
They're
like,
well, I'm a sexy berry, motherfucker.
I'm applying for both jobs. Got that.
Shout out to all the titis. I got the 2 eyes tattooed on the back.
That was a hot tattoo for a while.
For a minute, yeah. That was like up there with the dripping cherries.
Yeah. But I mean, what was the point of that? Like, so you had eyes looking at you and you was like hitting from the back?
Yeah, I guess. So you can make eye contact while you smashing? that's weird.
That's kind of
what if the
that's
tattoo
convenient
is
though,
not
but
good though? Like,
and it's not even.
And it's like kind of like cockeyed a little bit, like, you know what I'm saying? Like,
I guess you would use a ruler.
just put it on the back.
Like a triple baby balance or some shit. That's like considerate though. They got like they're giving you like it's like someone who leaves a magazine in the bathroom for you. It's like reading material while you're back there.
Yeah, go do your thing.
You ever see someone that have like a poem or like a verse on their back?
Yo, I'm gonna keep it real. Like, I need to read when I take a shit. So, like, I'll read anything.
I have no idea where you're going with this, but
like, I'll literally read anything. Like, I have to read. I have to grab something and read it while I take a shit. Like, my bowels won't like release unless I'm reading. True story. So like I'm sitting
how?
there. I don't know.
I don't think that's how it works.
I don't know. It's I know it's not probably.
So you mean to tell me like
I mean,
if
to be fair,
if you had to go, you just like, yo, I need a book?
Yeah, I need something. A tube of toothpaste. I'll read the ingredients. You know what I'm saying? Approved by the ADA. You know, no fluoride. You know what I'm saying? All that.
Wow.
I'm reading the back of like a Lever 2000 bar and shit like, oh, no parabens. All right. That's lit. What are parabens? What are parabens? Why? What are parabens, and why is everybody so scared of parabens?
I don't know. This is my first time ever hearing this word.
You know what I'm saying? Also, BPA. Like, shit is BPA free.
BPA,
like,
I know that. It's a police benevolent association. You do not want the problems with that.
I got a BPA
You got
card.
the BPA card? You get pulled over. Hey, my brother's on the force.
I just showed them my Nalgene bottle. Like, yo, it's BPA. That means I get to go free.
Oh, we got a fucking wise guy over here.
Get in the car, asshole.
Oh.
Yo.
BPA. What do you say? Paraffins or
parabens?
Parabens?
Yeah, I don't even know. What are they? Are they like tiny? Like
They're like magnets. Who knows? We'll never know.
Yeah. How do they work?
We're the juggalos of parabens.
Parabens? Fucking
Also,
parabens.
shout out to you. I don't know if this is a flex. You said you got Lever 2000?
That is not a flex. Lever 2000 is straight gel soap.
Fam, I buy soap one bar at a time at the bodega.
I go to BJ's and yo, if you go to BJ's and a 20-pack of soap is $6, that's probably not the best soap.
See, I know that, but here's the thing: I'm not paying for a BJ's membership to go. I live by myself. Well, I look with 50 bars of soap. Because then what happens? You think you're saving money, but it's just reminding you that you're gonna probably die alone. You know how sad I get every time I look into my sink? I got like 28 rolls of toilet paper. I'm like, I'm never gonna finish this.
I'm never gonna shit this much. I'm never gonna shit this much.
Just open my fridge. It's like a fucking 3-liter bottle of ketchup mocking me. You're not gonna eat this many hot dogs. This is for people with families. I'm like, just on a fucking 3-pound bag of sugar. Like,
They don't do an intervention. They're like, you keep buying in bulk.
I'm saving. It's savings.
No, you're not. You're destroying yourself. You're destroying your life. You're destroying your life. We care about you.
Shout out to B. Also, BJ's got the wild, strict policy about your face has to match the name on the card.
I just walk in that bitch like with no card.
Well, no one's trying to stop you. I'm pretty sure like you got the BJ's in New Jersey under pressure. Like people changing their shift. Like I don't want to deal with him.
I walk in there like Debo, like, yo, what up? Yo, I need 16 pounds of salami
shit.
pre-sliced.
Oh shit, it's Mero. Hide the oat milk. Hide the oat milk. Like take all the samples. Like
Yo, give me that shit. I just take the whole tray, dump it in my mouth. Make more now.
Let's go to BJ's, pick up some tires, a shotgun, and a standing piano.
You know what I'm saying? Oh, we got the little fucking microphone. He's like, this knife cuts anything. I'm like, yo, let me see that fucking chocolate you got behind you, right there. Let me see that.
BJ's.
He's like, well, you get one with the purchase of a knife. I was like, no, give me the fucking chocolate, motherfucker.
See the difference? And I still got the Red Bull locked up in my supermarket. just hurts my heart every time I walk in.
They lock up the Red Bull?
Red Bull, Infamil, and
why Red Bull?
Shrimp.
Oh, because
that's stuff people shoplift.
Oh, because they out here drinking rum and Red Bull.
All right. First of all, that's only for my culture. So a little more respect. That's actually our national anthem.
Yo, shout out to Jamaicans, because Jamaicans will make a song about anything they like, and the shit will be fire.
What's the problem with that?
Like,
why the rest of y'all get like that?
Like, yo,
okay.
Like motherfuckers made a whole song about
We don't have
Clarks.
much, but what we have is rhythm.
Yo, Clarks me prefer. Clarks for the summer, Clarks for the winter.
Our short foot pants.
Toothbrush, get out the dust.
Americans need to be like that. Make one about your president doing Adderall.
You know what I'm saying?
Ponder sniff.
Yeah, I like to sniff. Yeah, check it. Boom. That's it.
Who gets his Adderall from, though?
From probably,
you think Pence is getting it?
Pence off them Zans, bro. You seen him? He was like,
I took half of his Zans.
Yo, your man was leaning, bro.
He was out.
It was like, yo, fam, don't die. Like, did you just perish on the air? Yo, your man was like he was at an astronomy lecture hall and shit, like for 4 hours.
He was like nodding.
Yo,
about to hit him with the Narcan. Like, yo, you all right?
You good?
You all right, Pets?
Yo.
Pets.
Yo,
master your high. Master your high.
I'll break open the smelling salts from the first aid kit. Like, he's up. He's like, mother. Where are you?
I was thinking about horse sticks again.
Oh man, Mike Pence, aka Mr. Hands.
See, I'm glad no one got that reference, so we're just gonna keep it moving. Wow.
Yo,
Mr. Hands.
Mr. Hands.
That name again is Mr. Hands.
Mr. Hands, bro. See what happens?
You guys all know who Mr. Hands is, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, everybody knows?
You know?
You familiar with Mr. Hands? Sherry's like, I don't even want to know.
She's all, no. Let's leave Sherry nice and innocent. She doesn't need to know these things. Google Mr. Hands when you get home, but not from a work computer.
Yeah, please. Do not Google Mr. Hands from your work.
Because that's definitely going to put you on a Google list.
Yo, for real.
And let me tell you, the sponsored ads you're going to see are going to be very dramatically different. You're like, what the fuck, a riding crop?
Whoa.
What do I want this?
How'd I go from tech fleeces to horsey tail butt plugs? Like, what happened? God damn.
Like, what?
No kink shaming, though.
No kink shaming.
Who enjoys horsey tail butt plugs?
Some kinks you gotta be like, all right,
chill.
Like it's not shaming, but it's like, all right, you kind of
you doing too much.
You doing a lot.
Doing a lot. Is it like that hanging, that shit that people do, like when they hang hooks in their body and they like hang, like sexually?
But is that sexual, or is that just like you just chilling?
Like you never know.
I don't know. I might have to do that. My back locks up sometimes. Like
you're just gonna stick meat hooks in your back.
I'm not gonna get one of those inverted things with a corny.
Just stop walking in your crib, you upside down. I'm like,
just leading mad. Like you're gonna see mad blood dripping in here. It's like just my lower vert. You know, I took the red on my back's tight.
My L4, my L5.
Matter of fact, put another hook in my back. No, if you like getting like earthworm, if you like women stomping on earthworms and shit, I'm a kind of judge.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep.
Like if you into some shit that you can't just casually have on like a big screen while I'm at your apartment without me being like, yo, fam, like you're making me uncomfortable.
Fam, they're eating shit.
Yeah. Well, okay, you went there.
They're eating shit. How do you
see? The problem isn't the eating shit.
You gotta just grab a tube of toothpaste and shit and watch the shit. Like, damn.
The problem isn't so much the eating shit, but it's like, is it like a 20-minute scene?
Yeah.
You gotta have like a little shit eating. It's gonna happen.
It's a little shit eating.
But if it's like a 20-minute scene, like after 5 minutes, you're like,
how much shit? What did y'all eat?
Like, yeah. Like now just because like y'all not getting enough roughage.
Like, what the fuck, bro? This shit is coming out like soft serve.
I'm like making a NutriBullet. I'm like, I don't want this now.
Come on. Oh, you had kale.
Nasty. This new generation, they don't have a 2 girls 1 cup.
They don't.
But I think they've been so desensitized to everything.
Showtime promo.
No.
2 dudes 1 cup. We out here. Let's get it.
I mean, whatever for the ratings, right?
Gotta get secure in the bag.
We find out after the film, like, they used ice cream?
Oh, shit.
Well, I wish I knew that going into this.
God damn. Huh? I was nervous.
You don't want to be in the trailer after that shoot.
I knew it was a hoax because Mero wasn't reading.
The makeup lady just comes and blocks my face and gives me gum. I'm like, nah.
Just a little anti-shine.
They're like, pickups. I'm like,
okay, all right.
Where was my tongue? All right.
All right. Jeez. You see the Matt Talenti gelato and shit, like.
No one wants to be near me for the walkaway lunch.
Yo, point that fan over here, yo. This motherfucker's tearing this shit up.
2 girls, 1 cup. There's no 2 guys, 1 cup, right?
No,
there gotta be. We don't know scat porn like that.
That's true. Yeah, there's definitely a video of there.
Like if there was a Jeopardy category and it was scat porn, I'm not picking 200.
Nah.
I'm not picking 1,000 either.
Daily double. Daily
like,
dub.
damn.
Daily dub.
They'd be like, her groundbreaking scene was the first time a woman ever appeared on film. I'm like, what? I don't know. They'd be like, you don't know that? It's a journey of truth.
Yeah, she took a dump.
She took a dump for freedom.
For freedom? Oh my God.
She was a groundbreaker. Is that the problematic line? This is every now and then. I mean, we were talking about scat for like 10 minutes.
Yeah, that's true. That's absolutely
like
true.
That can't be the line where you.
Yeah, I'm serious.
Listen, this isn't Pod Save America. You're not gonna get politics on this.
You're gonna get scat talk.
Scat talk.
Scatology.
Scat talk.
We're the scat guys.
We just got on the big zoot suits.
Yo, damn. Now. Yeah. See, now I'm gonna go home and like look up scat porn on my computer.
Why?
Just because we talked about it, and I'm curious. I've never, aside from 2 girls, 1 cup, I've never seen like shit porn.
I think it's illegal.
Is it?
I want to say yeah.
In the United States? Can I use like a proxy?
Listen again. There has to be some sort of clause in that Showtime deal. He was arrested for some nasty shit.
I didn't even read the shit. I just signed the contract. It was like, yo, you cannot watch scat porn.
He was like, I definitely would be like, hold up,
or make any reference to.
I definitely called the lawyer like, get that scat clause thing out of there.
Yeah,
just cross it out. Like, no,
we're not signing until we get the scat clause removed.
Oh, scat clause. No, I'm pretty sure it's illegal in the United. Wait, yeah, I don't.
I mean, I know fucking animals.
Who's gonna go and legislate for scat porn?
Who's gonna be the hero?
Who's lobbying for that? Who's going up to Capitol Hill like, we demand this?
We demand shit on our chests.
Mr. Trump, what are you going to do about the Scott Ukraine relations?
Well, I mean, usually I pee on people, but if you want to do dookie on somebody, that's your prerogative. Thank you.
Wait, if he peed on people,
you know he dookied on somebody.
Just while Adderalled up?
You know he did.
Yeah.
You know he had the coke shits. You know
Mad
what I'm saying?
Focus too?
Yeah. Hey, he was around the 80s, so you know he was doing wild yay.
Yeah, with some Quaalude shit
that
too.
That wapu day. My man's butthole was dilated at all times.
Because he was getting skied up with Mike Tyson, allegedly.
Allegedly.
So
even though there's a wild picture of Mike Tyson with coke on his nose.
I just said that allegedly because I don't want Mike Tyson to fuck me up.
Oh, yeah.
Mike Tyson in 2018 is still terrifying.
Yeah, seriously. Because that's what they asked on Twitter, like, yo, would you take 10 Mike Tysons versus 1 gorilla? That was like the Twitter question of the day. And I was just like, yo. I was like, is Mike Tyson on coke?
Well, I mean,
Because then I seen 2 gorillas fighting at a zoo, and I was just like, yo, the motherfuckers.
Gorillas will fuck you up.
They will fuck you up.
Gorillas and also, you have to imagine a gorilla would be extra upset that a human tried to fight it.
Like, yo, for real, fam?
Like, a gorilla probably see all these tweets. Like, other gorillas are sending gorillas these tweets. Like, yo, you see this shit?
You see this shit?
Yo, they really think they can flex on us.
Oh, you think I'm pussy?
Oh.
I bet.
I'm pussy?
Bet.
Nigga, just hit his chest and shit.
Bet. All right. Yo, come cross that moat, nigga.
Gorillas look at us the way we looked at Tekashi 6ix9ine. They gonna make an example out of us, boy.
Whole crew full of gorillas. I'm a gorilla too.
Also, if you get beat by first of all, a gorilla's not gonna beat you. It's gonna kill you.
It's gonna destroy you.
Because it's not gonna stop halfway. Like, yo, you can't be like, yo, time out. And the gorilla's like, oop.
He's like, yo, you good?
You good?
The gorilla's not gonna stop. Like, yo, you good? You all right?
You all right? All right, I'ma chill. I was waxing you.
Yo.
Imagine a gorilla beat you and then afterwards he's not even like breathing heavy. He opens a banana, just eating it.
Eats the shit, picks up his dookie, throws it at somebody looking in the enclosure.
Getting mad potassium and shit.
They can just roll you into the dry moat. Like, get the fuck out of here, you
What's
heard?
definitely a zoo animal you could fuck up?
Probably the seals at the Bronx Zoo.
Nah.
I just stand on the
slippery.
rock. I just stand on the rock.
They're slippery. They got that big tail. Once they get you in the water, now you're in the water with all the...
If you get in the water, then you assed out.
Well, where else you gonna find a seal at?
They got like the rock that they come and sunbathe on. I just post up on the rock, like with the box cutter ready. When feeding time comes and she throws the little minnows in the air, you know what I'm saying? I just be like, whop!
I think a sea lion will fuck you up.
I don't know. It depends on their jaw strength. Did you know that hyenas attack other animals by their genitals first?
Yo,
because that's the weak spot.
We covered that on our show.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
No, llamas do that.
Llamas
and hyenas.
And hyenas.
And hyenas. Different mammals.
Damn, what was the name of that guy that got killed by the stingray? Steve Irwin?
Steve Irwin.
Ever since he died, like the level of people giving facts about animals has dropped.
That's
like,
dramatically.
It's just not.
It's sad, mate.
So where his daughter's like, that's not it. That's not it at all.
That's not it, Chief.
That's not it. While she's like fighting a kangaroo, like
Yo, that brother kangaroo died.
Yeah, shout out to Roger. What's his name, Roger?
Yeah, Roger.
Yeah.
Yo, R.I.P. Roger.
Damn.
Yo, you up there with Harambe now, B?
That's sad.
You know what I'm saying?
He died at how long do kangaroos
live?
die? I mean, how long do they usually live? Heaven.
I was about
to. Wait, is that like? Hold on, we gotta know.
Is that old for a kangaroo? I mean, he was clearly juicing.
Kangaroos life span.
Yeah.
You know what? Google could just lie. Google could be like 40 years. We gotta take it.
Yeah.
Oh, 12 years in the wild, 20 years in captivity. Excuse me.
12 years in the wild?
12 years in the wild.
And 20? Shit,
But 20, that's
zoo.
like he's locked up and depressed and shit. Like,
yeah, he's just
like walking around them like mad sad and shit.
Just hands in the pouch and shit, like
just sighing every now and then, like his girl left him. Niggas caught me.
Damn, B.
That's always do animal thing. They're just sitting there like, damn, niggas caught me.
They got me, B.
Fuck.
They got me in PC, yo,
Fuck
like I'm a herb.
Trying to get out there to the penguin house. That's where the real G's be at. Where's protective custody in the zoo?
In the Bronx zoo, it's probably like the House of Darkness with like a little shrews and shit like that.
Yeah, those be snitches, right?
Yeah. Damn. Because you got to pay extra to get in there. So like, if you trying to go in there and kill a snitch, a shrew that snitched on you, you got to pay extra to get in there.
You're doing an episode of Zootopia that is very dark. Like, I'm not letting my kids watch this shit. This is like a Law and Order Zoo edition. Like. Killing snitching
shrews. Killing snitching shrews.
That sounds like new Baby Shark. Baby shrew snitching, stabbing up,
Yeah. When we did that interview in the Bronx, who were we just roasting all the animals?
Yeah, because the animals are stupid.
That was fun.
Those animals aren't even from the Bronx. They got caught and now they're in the Bronx Zoo.
Yo, you tight.
You feel tight.
You mad, bro.
You running around Zimbabwe. Bang! Now look at you. You on East Tremont.
You mad.
You didn't even talk the gang codes. You mad lost.
You mad.
Birds come over here in the winter, don't got no Timbs on. Get disrespected at the bodega and shit.
Like, yo, you're not from here, motherfucker.
Get out of here.
Get in the back of the line, B.
Yo, this hippopotamus Timbs is fake.
Boy, just roasting each other.
It's been episode 138.
That's right, you cowards.
138th episode. I told you guys it gets hot in here, right? Right?
Yeah. Y'all sweating? Y'all sweating?
Also, it doesn't help that we have the red light on here, so y'all are cooking like Pop-Tarts. It's been your boy, Jesus Nice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Say Fat Like Terrio, which we will change up for national reasons so we can be on Nickelodeon with Pocket Say Fat Like. Here we go! Chris That's Sling, Eli Lipby, Butchers Willie Gully, Slopin' That Might Know You Bitch, Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with a rondo, 1994, Nueva York, the girl calling off, the Juve Boss, MC Goofy, putting up for 40 with your shorty. Listen, man, don't talk to me in the Uber pool.
I'm fucking know you, man.
I'm not here for conversation, dog.
Not at all, B.
You know what I'm saying? I'm tight.
I would have got an Uber XL, but
my car was acting up. I'm like, I'm gonna take an Uber pool from Brooklyn now.
Get out of here, B.
Shit is sad. There's a baby seat in here.
Yo, shout out to my Uber driver who literally had a baby in the front seat of his car when he drove me to work the other day.
Was it his baby?
It was. I mean,
or was it like a paying passenger?
I hope so.
I saw something on Channel 7 about people just be wanting their kids in Ubers and sending them places. Do you don't do that?
I mean, I might now. Shit. That's a great idea.
I mean, you don't got to ride with them to school. Like,
yo, Jersey, it's very easy to pass the driving test. It's a closed course. They don't put you, like New York, they put you out there.
Yeah, what's up with Jersey? Like, you guys don't pump your own gas. Y'all don't know how to drive for shit.
Yeah, like that's why Jersey drivers are so terrible, because they just put you in like a parking lot and they're like, yo, can you turn the car on and make a circle? All right, cool, here's your license. That's it.
Full circle.
That's it.
The original my plus one got plus one, so don't make a fuss on it. These are Rossi and the Jamaican Jew. Happy Hanukkah.
That's right.
Is that what's the proper Hanukkah greeting? It's just Happy Hanukkah. It's not like some like
There's a Hebrew one, but I'm not gonna fuck it up.
Wait, come on. Give me a sample. Give us a taste.
I'll let you.
Give us a sample. Come on, give us a sample of Jew shit. Hasameah.
But we gotta right. Smeach.
Is that like in the beginning of the Lion King?
Yeah. I know the candle song is Barakato. I don't know.
There's a candle song?
I'm paraphrasing.
I think that might be the candle song for like Yankee candles. That's not for Hanukkah.
I'd be like half singing the words and shit, like everybody else is singing. I'm just like, I just hit the high
They
notes.
just come and take the tour away from you. Like, yeah, this ain't it, Chief.
I just do the ad libs and shit. Like, word. Shout to Aunt Wendy.
Juice it. 8 days. 8 days.
Yo, Uncle Dave, big up Uncle Dave.
Nebuchadnezzar, let's go.
PC Richard, give me the discount.
Yo, Two Phone Jones, DJ Machina, J Chuckle, Stanley Cups, the Human Dr. Brown is able to do like Duke. Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240 P, like my Pinot Blurry.
That's right.
DJ Woolite, aka the Watch FM. Here's a song near and dear to every Yankee fan.
Let's go.
You should know this. I'm gonna play it. I don't know if they can hear it out loud, but I mean, this is a bit of a banger. Are you familiar with the Redneck?
Oh shit!
I've been married a long time ago.
You guys remember a song called Cotton Eye Joe?
Cotton Eye Joe. You
know they're not from America?
They're Swedish.
They're Swedish.
Swedish rednecks with an X.
There's no reason for this song to exist.
Yo,
there's no reason for them to play this at Yankee games.
That's Swedish people making fun of Americans.
That's what they think we look like. They think we all live in trailer parks.
I've been fucking my sister go.
To be fair, a lot of Yankee fans do look like Cotton Eye Joe. I mean it with love. The Curry Goes, Jesus Spicer, Jamal Hasper, the Bronx, Celine Dion, Ray Nephews, Nephew Moreno, you cannot contain the Human Mammy, Word to Ja, Young Aaron, Racist Provocateur, Henry Buckles, Nelson Mandela, Sergio, Can't See Me, Vladimir Buffett, the Human World is melting in your mouth.
Oh my God.
Mr. Bexar, Decadent, Ricky Tiki Squad, B. Greg Popovich, Morris H. Rich Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got the cucumber.
Yo.
The juices are pressed, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush, no more cup of noodles, which has a lot of sodium in it. Just,
mad sodium. It's like 800 milligrams, bro.
I find this out very late.
It's like 90% of your daily intake.
Yeah.
It's really bad for you.
I mean, but then not to get dark.
I feel like if you pour half of the broth out.
No, that's the best part.
Yeah?
The broth.
I'm a noodle guy.
You're a noodle guy.
Yeah.
I always did the math like this. As a young brown male, my life expectancy wasn't that high anyway. So let me get all this ramen in my 20s.
Why not?
Now I'm 40, got like high blood pressure and shit. Probably going bald, got a sleep apnea machine, but I was like, damn it, those shrimp ones were worth it.
Oh, that shit was hitting.
Yeah.
The little dehydrated peas.
Yeah. Also, shout out to that one day in your life where you learn the difference between hood ramen and actual ramen.
Yo, you know how long?
I'm like, y'all paying $20 for what?
For ramen? Y'all bugging.
Oh, y'all stupid.
Y'all dumb stupid.
I'll put an egg in this. It's the same shit.
Fam, let me tell you something. I got a 20 pack for $6.
Shit, I'm making it on my Foreman grill.
Stupid.
Cutting up big chunks of ham. That's always a moment like some girl comes to your apartment and is like, you can't live like this. I'm like, what?
What are you doing?
What do you mean bed sheets aren't curtains?
What are you talking about? The first time I had the kids in my crib, all I had in my cupboard was adobo.
I was like, who you be? She's like, I'm not. No, you gotta clean your sheets. I was like, I'm Febrezing them.
Yeah, that's cleaning them.
Come on. She's like, they're stiff. I'm like, no, just
No,
them.
just like you gotta just
You
shake
break them
out.
like a tray of steak. Oh, the Prince of Peck of the Fashion Nova Castle, William 8 cents, 5 cent, 10 cent dollar. Forget the small change.
What you need? Yo, wine.
The only anthem I salute is Gypsy. Actually, I've gotten lazy now. I don't even salute that. Like now, I just show up at games late because I don't want no smoke.
Yeah, that's true.
Let's get to. Also, it's the flex if you come to the seats after the anthem. The people already standing
with,
like
with 2 beers, like
fuck that, man.
Oh, the anthem. Oh, y'all playing the anthem. Oh,
Also, because I'm a sovereign citizen and I don't respect the United States. And that's why I pay taxes. I'm saying that again. Don't you ever forget. Wesley Sykes taught me. Wesley Sykes is like, boy, you in for big trouble. Mr. Sager, catch me at square one, top left.
Whoa,
Manager's Marv.
Don't cheese me, bro.
Trying to avoid Aubrey. How you let someone named Aubrey bully you? That's a whole other thing. All right. Trill Rizzuto, holy cow. Mr. Soft Pawns, all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ Purple Stuff Soda, and it's me, Sonny D. David Yurman, these expensive Jesus Bottoms, these bloody shows.
That's right.
That's right. Smoking no. Did Cardi and Offset get back together yet?
No.
You know what? For a Bronx chick, this is a long time that they've been broken up.
Yeah.
He might be done.
Yeah. It is. If he gets jumped within the next week, then they're not getting back.
Damn.
Then they are getting back together. Excuse me.
And it's kind of sad because he made an attempt to get her back.
He's like, I miss her.
He tweeted, I miss her in all caps. Like, what more you want, ma?
Yeah.
Like, it ain't Valentine's Day. I got you flowers. Like, you got a tweet.
Come on, you got a tweet from.
He should have pinned the tweet though.
Yeah, he should.
Yeah.
What? I mean, what do you expect? The motherfucker got face tattoos
of his other kids.
You know what I'm saying? So. Yeah.
I just throw Offset under the bus all the times because I look like an angel compared to him. So anytime I get a chance, I was like, yeah, I don't have any of my kids.
I don't have
any kids.
I don't have any
that I claim.
Until tax season.
Again, sovereign nation, sovereign citizen. Them kids pay for them smells. Yo, shit. So, you know, Andrew Kuhn and the Junior Energy God Jr. Come sit down, probably.
Yo, sit on it, wine on it.
Call me Petco because I got your bitch on freeze. The topic of gossip and Syosset. Shout out to the 11791. Anyone here from Syosset? You know what? I ask that question a lot, and I get crickets a lot.
One day.
Sayasa don't be out here repping. AK Grandpa Joe, because when you see Charlie, you see me, don't touch that golden ticket.
That's right.
Also, here's a new theory about Willy Wonka. Willy Wonka not only was killing people, he was taunting the authorities.
Yep.
Like in Law and Order, the special episodes where Olivia gets kidnapped.
Yes.
Willy Wonka
is that guy.
He was like, what W is what letter of the alphabet? That was the number of victims he had. That's why he had 2 W's, Willy Wonka. So the next one, he'd be like XX,
Yo.
YY, and ZZ. He's going around the country killing people.
Damn.
They're going to dig up underneath candy factories, and it's just dead kids.
Mad dead kids?
Mad
Yo.
kids. That's all he was doing. He never was even in it for the candy.
Willy Wonka's a Zodiac killer? Yo, we cracked the case.
He's a BT.
Gillen, all
Yeah, he's the BTK killer, but you got to make it cute, like the CTK, like confection, tickle culture.
Confectionery killer. It's a confection killer.
Yo, your boy Deadeye Jesus. We never got Red Dead Redemption, right?
Yeah. Yo, Rockstar, what's up?
Yeah.
Send that.
They're like, just buy it, you cheap bastards.
Yeah, that's
I'll probably do that. Mr. Shopping at Street Easy with bad music. I'm easy people believe me. The Black 88 Act could crack your back like an automatic craftmatic. Mr. La Marina Mesh Marina with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor. AKA your problematic bae.
Yeah.
Don't be afraid to heat your apartment with the oven.
That's true. If you leave the windows open, it's fine.
Listen, all carbon monoxide is good sleeping.
That's right. Forever.
Dark.
The permanent Tempur-Pedic mattress.
Wow. All right. You took it to a next level of darkness that I was just dipping my toe in. But
I jump in the pool of darkness because I am the one, the only, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durag Flap, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, you know what I'm saying? Don't come in my DMs all trying to make me say spicy things, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa, you know what I'm saying? A.k.a. skirt load to jump the curb, hit your fucking bloodhound, nigga, keep it moving out. Give a fuck. I swear, cold Peter, nigga, I don't care. AKA, I know fucking Ming. I know fucking baby, I fucking Ming.
You man.
You know what I'm saying? I Ming.
You Ming.
I Ming. I'm 20 fucking 2 years old.
He got to be like 25 now, right?
He's like 30.
Yeah.
He's
gonna get sad now.
Imagine when he's like 50.
Hey,
like doing store appearances.
I don't fucking baby.
I don't fucking.
We know you're a 50-year-old Dominican guy.
I know,
it's very sad.
It's actually troubling. You're wearing the old man sandals. AK, no need to check the guest list and the fucking guest list. I was Taurus stunt double in Undercover, New York Undercover, motherfucker. Check my IMDb credits and respect them, stupid. AK, CC Dab Bathia. AKA get into the shmoney and the smoke. It's your boy Goldman Schmidt. You know what I'm saying? Doing all types of fraudulent shit. AK, I replaced the cast of Shameless with my kids. They've never said I got juice, nigga, because I'm the fucking dad of the year. You know what I'm saying? AKA Bitch Smack Biombo. AKA Diego Maradona. AKA Dick in your baby Motombo. You know, come on this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me. AKA David Trisdale. Pow, pow, motherfucker, take that for data. AKA Barlow Zantana. So smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the zip car.
Sir, please wake up.
Yo, shit. Oh, damn. Is this
a red light?
Yo, oh.
Cops are here, drive off.
Oh, I'm out of here. Yo, fuck this shit. I jump out the Honda Fit, start running.
The Honda Fit? That's not a real car.
That's not a real car. Shit's a hamster on wheels.
Those are one of those cars that get offended if your Uber pulls up and it's like a Honda Fit.
You're like, yo, come on, fam.
Come on, man. What are we, the gerbils?
First of all, this is a misnomer because nobody fits in this shit.
Ooh.
You know what I'm saying?
Ooh, T-Report.
That's right. That's right, big. That's right. That's right, Honda. That's right.
Wow.
Take that.
Wow.
Take that, Honda.
Wow, okay.
I don't want no pilots. I don't want no Accords.
Up next on Watch What Happens Live.
I don't know her. I don't know Honda. I don't know Honda at all. You know what I'm saying? Send me that Benz. AKA, the Dominican Dundada Dykeman Daddy. AKA, swipe my card again. There's definitely money on it. Don't make me embarrass you in front of your fucking management when they come over here and ask for selfies, stupid. You know what I'm saying? I'm a star at the mall, B. AKA,
I'm a star at the mall, B. That sounds like a best-selling shirt in Jersey. Like, I run Trenton.
I run this shit. Yo, AKA, Romeo Santos, tu favorito, mami, so zany. I'll dry hump your mother on stage at United Palace. I don't give a fuck. Watch me black out. AKA, Light Now Touchy. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. That your broke ass ain't got 5. You know what I'm saying? Can you tell I got a vocal coach?
I see that.
Yeah.
I was like,
you know what I'm saying?
It's always trying to go to Hollywood.
Happens with my vocal coach.
All right.
You know what I'm saying? We are here. AKA Tom Brady, I got my balls deflated. AKA feel that sights and damn.
Problematic. Remove AKA from sequence. It was funny. It was whimsical.
Yeah.
Now it's evidence.
Now it's evidence.
Okay.
You changed from Tyrio to Here We Go. What are we gonna change this to?
What's his name? It can't be Phil the Ass Tyson.
Yeah.
It'll be like the astrologer we used to know from the Bronx.
Yeah,
That we never hung out with like that. He was on our show.
He was on our show, but like we don't really bang with him like that. Like I don't got his phone number. Like I can't FaceTime him. AKA Lil Snoozy Vert. Yeah, bitch, I'm on bars. I'm a doze. AKA Final Messi of Gelato. You know what I'm saying? MVP of Gelato. AKA Daniel Bedingfield. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks.
Who is brother of whom?
Natasha Bedingfield. Beautiful music.
I guess the rest of y'all knew that, but that still shocks me. I'm like, wow.
Yo, there's more than one Bedingfields. That's such a British name. I thought everybody in the UK's name.
That sounds like a delicious breakfast cracker. Like, would you like a Bedingfield?
Would you like a Bedingfield with your tea, sir?
But then they put in like gravy. Like it's 8 a.m.
Yo, why you put beans on my Bedingfield? You fuck my shit up.
That's how the queen eats it.
Joe Hookah, I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? The flagship Mama Sushi on Dykeman. Hello. You know what I'm saying?
No.
Pay for parking, B. It's only $5. AKA Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. I brought Stan Lee back to life and let him die again just to hear Mike Francesa disrespect his memory for my own enjoyment. I'm not doing shit in the government, so I got time on my hands.
Yeah, isn't he running HUD?
Yeah, he's not doing shit. He's just chilling. That
you know what? And he's so detached. He wasn't even. They probably were like, "Yo, come to these meetings with the Russians." He was like, "Nah, I'm good.
I'm good. I'm in.
Candy, don't set the alarm. I'm sleeping in."
There's only 3 people left in this Fortnite battle royale. Open your medicine cabinet. You know who it is. It's the Zen Man. AKA Rico Sabroso. AKA Lucius Lioness. Nigga, come on. Absolutely not, man. Jasenia, I've gotten blood work over 1,000 times. I'm not scared of no goddamn needles, man. Come on now, man. AKA Baby Newport 2-5 niggas got garbage down the way. AKA Nino Brown, shut the car down. AKA live from the McDonald's at Kingsbridge and Jerome Avenue. It's the East Street on Stevie B, doing all his greatest hits like I wanna be the one your DD is fucking and Dope Sick Love. Just watch me lean. AKA, listen, mate. There's no more rock stars left. It's only 2. It's the Bodega Boys, mate. And I'm coming from across the pond to tell you that I am the plantain sipping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont with a bottle of Brugal under my arm. And I'm shirtless. And It's January. And you asking questions.
The nipples is out?
Nipples is out. Cutting glass.
Heavy.
I got the Hershey Kiss nipples. Get ready. You know what I'm saying?
That's what I call bars.
You know what I mean? AKA, I met Mike Francesa. I'm never going to fail. AKA, I'm sitting in my living room waiting for LeBron to call me so I can join the Lakers and be a scapegoat. It's Barmelo's Anthony.
4-3. Is he really going to the Lakers?
Bang! He's just chilling in his crib eating Doritos waiting for LeBron to call.
I love it.
For real.
I love it.
Shout out to him. If you see me at Target, smacked off them edibles, staring at Lego Junior sets in amazement, approach me like a fucking Ursine mammal, B. You know what I'm saying? AKA, hey kids, it's Benzo the Clown. Hire me for your kids' party. I'll show up leaning and make balloon animals out of free condoms from the clinic. AKA, I'll so fake lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high of 409 and ginger beer. You know what I'm saying? AKA, Hasan, tírame la pita, coño. Dime a ver, caco de fucking vacinilla. Llegó el hijo de FIFA, coño, el maduro. La verdadera grasa fue Chucky que vino en palomazo. East streamer all day, pero estoy más frío que Santa Claus en todos los bloques. Llegan a la fucking para, no te quille. Shout out Showtime, shout out Kasha, shout out, y como siempre, shout out Los Me, shout out DJ Hasan y Zayn, el más loco de todo. Shout out Dímelo, el papi de la lady. Shout out DJ Bloquete, el capitán. Shout out Jubilee, la madura. Shout out Vashti, de lo mío llega a la grasa que me quité. Ya, shout out to the whole Showtime crew in the motherfucking building, motherfuckers on my dick.
Pero, may I tengo a bacon, egg, and cheese?
Sí, papi. You can have it. You can have
for
that.
For favor.
You can have that, papi. Enjoy that.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, as always, don't forget we got the show, greatest show ever in the history of late night television.
Right.
Returns to TV
February
Thursday,
21st.
February 21st, 11 p.m. on what channel? Showtime?
Yeah, do extend No Nut November until we debut.
Speak for yourself, sir.
I dare you.
As always, shout out to the sponsors, Square Cash. You know what I'm saying? Keep them checks with the Cash App going.
Yeah, it's right.
What else we got? Anything else we got to plug?
We got a book.
Oh, don't forget, we got the book coming out,
That's
and
right.
Mero's first kid's bar mitzvah is happening at La Marina in May 5th.
We reopening.
Remember, bottles 200 for 2, and we got hookah for babies.
That's right, baby hookahs, y'all.
All right, special live performance of Baby Shark. We out.